Assalamualaikum, that means peace be upon you. Hi everyone, I'm Paul Vincent Maagal and welcome to my video, The Language of Peace. Today we're going to learn some simple Arabic words and phrases. Don't worry, it's easy and fun, so let's start. First, let's begin with greetings. In Arabic, to say hello, you say marhaban. Try it with me, marhaban. If it is morning, you can say sabah al-khat, which means good morning. And when someone says that to you, you reply sabah an-nur, means morning of light. Isn't that beautiful? In Arabic greeting always sounds like poetry. So that's it. Now, let's learn how to be polite. To say thank you, you say shukran. And to say you're welcome, you say afwan. So if someone gives you food, you say shukran. And they reply afwan. Here's a fun fact. Many English words actually come from Arabic. For example, algebra comes from aljarb, and coffee comes from aqua. So yes, even your math and caffeine have a bit of Arabic in them. Alright, let's review what we learned today. Hello, marhaban. Good morning, sabah al-khair. Thank you, shukran. You're welcome, afan. And finally, to say goodbye, say aslama. Thank you so much for watching, or should I say, shukran jazilan. And always remember, language is not just words. It's a bridge to understand others. Aslama.